3D printing is cool. It seems like everything can be 3D printed and everyone is getting excited for 3D printing. But when you look deeper, it seems like everything can be 3D printed. Does making something 3D printed really make it cooler? And what exactly is 3D printing? In many ways, 3D printers are just a tool like any that you'd find in a wood shop or a garage. Sure, these tools do cool things, but not on their own, and just because something is made with, say, an electric drill press, that doesn't automatically make it better than something that isn't. It's the things that people like you are doing with these tools that make them cool. Not to say that by itself 3D printing isn't cool. 3D printing lets people like you create things, test them, change the design, and try something new quickly until they get it right. It makes things of incredible complexity and, because it's additive manufacturing, generates comparatively little waste. Cheaper and faster 3D printers means there's a chance that there's a 3D printer near you. Yes, 3D printing is pretty cool.